Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content from this channel. I do songwriting, history lesson, automobile repair. It'll blow your mind what I can do with low vision. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is a smart smoke alarm. It connects to your smart home and it can watch your home when you are gone and let you know if someone's in your home that don't belong there. And if there's ever smoke or something, it will send an alert to your cell phone as it beeps at the same time. So, great of both worlds. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content for this channel. See you in the next video. Peace.